Bitcoin and the whole crypto market is crashing. Welcome on this new video of Pony Talks. Today, I'm going to talk, of course, what the market is doing. Many people say, oh no, where are we going right now? I'm going to share what my opinion is, where we are, what we will do, and of course, what the bottom could be. Not sure where we can go, but at this moment we are really down and we made a huge move to the downside in the last 4 weeks. As you can see, we are on the 4 week on the weekly chart, the weekly time frame, and we see one, two, three, four red candles. Why is this happening? Actually, for me, it doesn't care why it is. It's just moving, it's just going down. As you know, we are in a bear market from 29th of September or from the 6th of October when we look at the weekly chart. So this is my opinion right now. You have a nice support level. This was resistance level. It held quite good to resistance, but the support got broken. We saw the same thing happening here. So this was around the start of this year, January, the end of January, and it started somewhere in November. So this was approximately 2 months. This is approximately 4 months. So it took a little longer. But my only fear right now is if we are going down, this could go to, for example, this level. So this red box is my zone of interest, is the zone where everybody should pay attention to. These are really good levels to enter the market. So this green box is my ultimate level for now, 50K until 54K. But what tells me the most right now? So I have some friends who are in the community who are working together with me, and they mentioned, "Oh, I have other friends. I'm also a bit in crypto, but they don't really know about it." And what do they say? Ethereum, Bitcoin is going to zero. I said, "Okay, that's nice to know." But what was my opinion? What did I ask to everybody? And what was your reaction to that? And they mentioned to me, if they say Bitcoin is going to zero, Ethereum is going to zero, now it's time to buy. Because many people say, I will sell everything because it's going to zero. We know what money is involved and where we can go and what can happen in this bear market for now. Eventually this will shift into a bull market. So as you can see, this red box from 62K to 48K is a very important zone in the crypto space. Use it as much as you want, as you like. This is not a financial advice, of course. I'm only giving my vision. But if we go in the past, you can see this red box was almost completely filled. This green box got filled. And if we go 4 years earlier, I need to go to another chart. So this is the one right here. If we go back, we see that this was the one from 4 years ago, and this is the one from 8 years ago. As we see, it only got topped right here, so just below the green line. So 4 years further, same thing, just below the green line, we got into the market. Is this a certainty that the same thing will happen? No, maybe 2 times it happened just to cross below the green line, and maybe 2 times it will do the same thing like this. So we have the same market as we had 4 years ago. So eventually everything will turn out great, in my opinion, especially when the people say, Bitcoin is going to zero, Ethereum is going to zero. In my opinion, no, it's not. It's now the time to go to the bank, have a loan, and get your funds extra to buy into Bitcoin, to buy into Ethereum. Okay, if we look, this is correct. Market is moving really bad right now. Is it the baddest market that I have ever seen? No, it's not. Why? If I'm now looking at Bitcoin, it's moving this week. You would say, oh no, 15% in a week time, and we are only Friday because yeah, crypto is working 24/7. This move here was already 25%. This one. This move was 33%. So is it the worst move we have ever seen? No, not at all. It's only starting to get less and less and less. But then again, fear is showing up. The fear and greed index is somewhere around 11. So this is really dangerous for many people, but just know the big players want to do this. Also, my vision, you know Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor sold Bitcoin while he said he would never sell Bitcoin, but 32 Bitcoin off his total of 850,000. It's not really a big deal that he sells 32, but the only thing that creates fear, in my opinion, is oh no, Michael Saylor is selling. What if he sells it all? Yes, he sold 32 Bitcoin. What did the market do? It went from 73,000 to almost 61,000. So that means that he says, maybe I'm really important in this space if I'm dropping it further. And if you know what I mentioned on the last video, $80 billion is ready to maybe get involved into Bitcoin. He purposely sells some more Bitcoin. What happens? Market goes further down, maybe somewhere here to 48. And what will he do? He will buy more and more and more and more. So my vision right now is that Bitcoin is doing great, is doing normal things. As you know, this line is really important. The 5th of October, then we are at the end of the bear market. We are right now the 5th of June, so this means only 4 months left, or maybe 4 months still to go. But then again, if we look at the move from here to here, we have 35%, and from here to here, we have 39%. So from here to here, let's say 39, we would be right here somewhere around 50K. So my vision right now, stay patient, stay calm. Everything will work out great in my opinion, but make sure you don't miss these opportunities. This is something I always mention to the community. Yesterday, I told them as well, what will we do right now? If there are funds available, make sure you have funds available. Get involved into Bitcoin because now is the time that you will have the huge profits toward the future. This is not something in 1 month. This will be in 4, 8 to 12 years. Then you will see huge results. And in the meantime, make sure you get the knowledge. One thing I'm doing right now in the community as well is options trading. I'm also getting information from a mentor from mine. So this is really something that I'm getting involved in. While you wait, you can earn funds without hitting a specific target. So this is options trading I'm doing with community. If you want more interest, if you have interest, if you want more information, click on the link below, and also look at my X account, of course, where I'm sharing a lot, mostly about NFTs. So this is also good to have a quick follow. If you like these videos, of course, like, subscribe, and put on the notification bell. First of all, I want to apologize myself for not bringing the video on Wednesday, but as you can hear, I'm really sick. I was really sick all Wednesday, so I mentioned, yes, for one day I will not do it because my voice was gone, so you would not hear a lot while I was talking. So that being said, thank you all for being here, and we will see each other next week. Let's see what the market does. Now is the time. I'm not creating FOMO, but I am creating FOMO because many people will miss out. Many people will say, oh no, why didn't I listen? Okay, I will tell it until the end of the bear market. Now is the time. If you do not invest, you will regret it later in time. But then again, everybody does what he does. I'm just saying my vision, what I think. I'm a huge Bitcoin fan, crypto fan. So let's see where we are going next. Have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.